Welcome to Passion Travel. Join us as we explore fascinating destinations, uncover hidden gems, and embark on unforgettable journeys. Subscribe now and ignite your passion for travel. Pasta dishes, quick and easy pasta with a variety of sauces. Here are 2 simple pasta dishes, including their ingredients and preparation steps. 1. Spaghetti aglio e olio. Ingredients: 400 g spaghetti, 4 cloves garlic, thinly sliced, 100 milliliters extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, adjust to taste, salt to taste, fresh parsley, chopped, for garnish, grated Parmesan cheese, optional. Preparation: cook the pasta, boil a large pot of salted water. Add the spaghetti and cook according to package instructions until al dente. Reserve about 1 cup of pasta water, then drain the spaghetti. Sauté garlic. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the sliced garlic and sauté until golden brown, about 2 minutes. Be careful not to burn it. Add red pepper flakes, stir in the red pepper flakes and cook for another 30 seconds. Combine, add the drained spaghetti to the skillet. Toss to coat the pasta in the garlic oil. If it seems dry, add some reserved pasta water. Season and serve, season with salt to taste. Garnish with fresh parsley and grated Parmesan if desired. Serve immediately. Cheese platters, local cheeses served with bread and fruit. Creating a delicious cheese platter is all about variety and balance. Here's how to assemble a stunning cheese platter, along with some ingredient suggestions and tips. Components of a cheese platter. Cheeses. Choose a variety of textures and flavors. Here are some options. Soft cheese, brie, camembert, or goat cheese. Semi-hard cheese, Gruyere, Comte, or aged Gouda. Hard cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano or Pecorino Romano. Blue cheese, Roquefort or Gorgonzola. Flavored cheese, cheese with herbs, spices, or truffles. Accompaniments. Add items that complement the cheese. Crackers and bread, variety of crackers, baguette slices, or breadsticks. Fruits, fresh fruits like grapes, figs, apples, or pears, dried fruits like apricots or cranberries. Nuts, almonds, walnuts, or hazelnuts. Condiments, honey, fig jam or chutney. Vegetables, pickles, olives, or cherry tomatoes. Presentation. Board or platter, use a wooden cutting board, slate, or a large serving platter. Arrangement, start by placing the cheeses on the board, spacing them out. Then fill in gaps with crackers, fruits, nuts, and condiments. Tips for assembly. Variety, aim for a mix of soft, semi-hard, and hard cheeses to provide different textures and flavors. Color, use colorful fruits and vegetables to make the platter visually appealing. Serve at room temperature, allow cheeses to sit out for about 30 minutes before serving to enhance their flavors. Cheese knives, include a separate knife for each cheese to avoid mixing flavors. Labeling, if you have a variety of cheeses, consider labeling them for your guests. Example, cheese platter. Cheeses, brie, aged Gouda, Gorgonzola, and a herbed goat cheese. Crackers, assorted crackers and thinly sliced baguette. Fruits, a bunch of red grapes, sliced apples, and dried figs. Nuts, a small bowl of mixed nuts. Condiments, a jar of honey and a small dish of fig jam. Vegetables, a selection of olives and pickles. Serving. Serve your cheese platter with some wine or a light beverage for a delightful tasting experience. Enjoy. Falafel, crispy chickpea balls, usually served in pita bread. Ingredients. For the falafel: 1 cup dried chickpeas, or 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 1 small onion, roughly chopped. 2 to 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1/4 cup fresh parsley, chopped. 1/4 cup fresh cilantro, chopped, optional. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. Half a teaspoon baking powder. Salt and pepper, to taste. 3 to 4 tablespoons flour, chickpea or all-purpose. Oil, for frying, vegetable or olive oil. For serving: pita bread or wraps. Hummus or tahini sauce. Fresh vegetables, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber, etc. Preparation. Soak the chickpeas. If using dried chickpeas, soak them in water overnight, at least 8 hours, to soften. Drain before using. Blend the ingredients. In a food processor, combine the soaked chickpeas, chopped onion, garlic, parsley, cilantro, if using, cumin, coriander, baking powder, salt, and pepper. Pulse until the mixture is coarsely ground but not pureed. If the mixture is too wet, add flour a tablespoon at a time until it holds together. Form the falafel. With your hands, shape the mixture into small balls or patties, about the size of a golf ball. Heat the oil. In a deep frying pan or pot, heat about 2 inches of oil over medium-high heat. To check if the oil is hot enough, drop a small piece of the falafel mixture in. It should sizzle and rise to the surface. Fry the falafel. Carefully add the falafel balls to the hot oil in batches, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Fry for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until golden brown and crispy. Use a slotted spoon to transfer them to a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil. Serve the falafel in pita bread or wraps with hummus or tahini sauce, and add fresh vegetables as desired. Enjoy! Falafel is a flavorful and nutritious option that can be served as a snack, appetizer, or main dish. Enjoy your homemade falafel. Fried fish, fresh fish, often served with tartar sauce. Ingredients. For the fish: 4 pieces of white fish fillets, such as cod, haddock, or tilapia. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon black pepper. Half a teaspoon paprika, optional. Half a cup cornmeal, for extra crunch, optional. 1 to 2 eggs, beaten. 1 cup buttermilk, or regular milk with a splash of vinegar or lemon juice. Oil for frying, vegetable or canola oil. For serving: lemon wedges. Tartar sauce or remoulade. Fresh parsley, chopped, for garnish. Preparation. Prepare the fish. Rinse the fish fillets under cold water and pat them dry with paper towels. Season with salt and pepper. Set up a breading station. In one bowl, mix the flour, salt, pepper, and paprika. In a second bowl, pour the buttermilk. In a third bowl, place the beaten eggs mixed with a bit of water. Bread the fish. Dip each fish fillet first into the flour mixture, ensuring it is fully coated. Next, dip it into the buttermilk, allowing any excess to drip off. Finally, coat it in the cornmeal, if using, for extra crunch. Set aside on a plate. Heat the oil. In a large skillet or deep frying pan, heat about half an inch of oil over medium-high heat. To check if it's ready, drop a small piece of bread into the oil. It should sizzle. Fry the fish. Carefully add the coated fish fillets to the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until golden brown and cooked through. Drain the fish. Once cooked, transfer the fish to a plate lined with paper towels to absorb excess oil. Serve the fried fish hot, garnished with fresh parsley and lemon wedges. Pair with tartar sauce or remoulade for dipping. Enjoy! Fried fish is a classic dish that's perfect for a casual meal. Enjoy your crispy, flavorful fried fish. Saucisse, grilled sausages, often served in a bun with condiments. Ingredients. For the sausage: 1 kilogram ground pork or a mix of pork and beef. 200 g fat, pork fat or bacon, diced. 2 to 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, optional. 1 teaspoon dried thyme, or other herbs like sage or oregano. Half a teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional, for heat. Half a cup ice-cold water. Sausage casings, natural or synthetic, soaked in water, if making links. Preparation. Prepare the casings. If using natural casings, rinse them thoroughly and soak them in water for at least 30 minutes. Rinse again before using. Mix the meat. In a large bowl, combine the ground meat, diced fat, garlic, onion, salt, pepper, smoked paprika, thyme, and cayenne pepper. Mix well using your hands or a wooden spoon. Add water. Gradually add the ice-cold water to the meat mixture, mixing thoroughly until it becomes sticky and well combined. This helps keep the sausages juicy. Stuff the sausages. If using casings, fit them onto a sausage stuffer. Stuff the casings with the meat mixture, being careful not to overfill. Tie off the ends securely. If not using casings, you can form the mixture into patties or logs. Cook the sausages. You can grill, pan-fry, or bake the sausages. For grilling or pan-frying, cook them over medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, turning occasionally until they are cooked through and browned on all sides. Serve. Enjoy the sausages with your favorite sides, such as mustard, sauerkraut, or in a bun with toppings. Enjoy. Homemade sausages are versatile and can be customized with different spices and herbs to suit your taste. Enjoy your delicious saucisse. Pizzas, personal-sized pizzas with a variety of toppings. Homemade pizza dough. Ingredients: 500 g all-purpose flour, plus extra for dusting. 325 milliliters warm water, about 110 degrees Fahrenheit per 43 degrees Celsius. 2 teaspoons active dry yeast. 2 teaspoons salt. 1 teaspoon sugar. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Preparation. Activate the yeast. In a small bowl, combine warm water, sugar, and yeast. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes frothy. Mix the dough. In a large bowl, combine the flour and salt. Make a well in the center and add the yeast mixture and olive oil. Mix until a dough forms. Knead the dough. Transfer the dough to a floured surface and knead for about 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Let it rise. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it with a damp cloth, and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 to 2 hours, or until it has doubled in size. Classic margherita pizza topping. Ingredients: 400 g canned crushed tomatoes or tomato sauce. 200 g fresh mozzarella cheese, sliced. Fresh basil leaves. Salt and pepper, to taste. Olive oil, for drizzling. Preparation of the pizza. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to its highest setting, usually around 475 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit per 250 degrees Celsius to 260 degrees Celsius. If you have a pizza stone, place it in the oven to heat. Shape the dough. Once the dough has risen, punch it down and divide it into 2 to 4 equal portions, depending on how large you want your pizzas. Roll each portion into a ball and let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Roll out the dough. On a floured surface, roll out one dough ball into a circle, about 10 to 12 inches in diameter. If you prefer a thicker crust, keep it a bit thicker. Add the sauce. Spread a thin layer of crushed tomatoes or sauce over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. Season with salt and pepper. Add toppings. Place the slices of fresh mozzarella on top and add a few fresh basil leaves. Drizzle a little olive oil over everything. Bake the pizza. Carefully transfer the pizza to the hot oven, or pizza stone. Bake for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. Finish and serve. Remove the pizza from the oven, add a few more fresh basil leaves, and let it cool for a minute before slicing. Serve hot. Enjoy. Feel free to customize your pizza with other toppings, such as pepperoni, bell peppers, mushrooms, or olives. Enjoy your homemade pizza. Burgers, gourmet burgers made with local ingredients. Classic beef burger recipe. Ingredients. For the burger patties: 500 g ground beef, 80% lean, 20% fat for juiciness. 1 teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, optional. 1 teaspoon onion powder, optional. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, optional. For assembly: burger buns, 4. Cheese slices, cheddar, American, or your choice. Lettuce leaves. Tomato slices. Pickles. Red onion slices. Ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise, or your favorite condiments. Preparation. Make the patties. In a bowl, gently mix the ground beef with salt, pepper, and any optional seasonings, garlic powder, onion powder, Worcestershire sauce. Divide the mixture into 4 equal portions and shape them into patties about 1 inch thick. Make a slight indent in the center of each patty, this helps them cook evenly. Preheat the grill or pan. Preheat your grill or a skillet over medium-high heat. If using a skillet, you can add a little oil to prevent sticking. Cook the patties. Place the patties on the grill or skillet. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on one side until browned. Flip the patties and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes for medium rare, or longer for desired doneness. If using cheese, add a slice on top of each patty during the last minute of cooking, covering with a lid to help it melt. Toast the buns. While the patties are cooking, you can toast the burger buns on the grill or in a toaster for a few minutes until golden. Assemble the burgers. Spread your favorite condiments on the bottom half of each toasted bun. Place the cooked patty with melted cheese on top, followed by lettuce, tomato, pickles, and onion. Top with the other half of the bun. Serve. Serve the burgers immediately with fries or a side salad. Enjoy. Feel free to customize your burgers with additional toppings like avocado, bacon, or special sauces. Enjoy your homemade burgers.